Tired of your Canva designs looking squished, stretched, or just plain wrong? Let's fix that. Hey design enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a super useful Canva skill: resizing your canvas. First, open up the design you want to resize in the Canva editor. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen, find the File menu, and give it a click. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Resize. Click on that. This opens the Resize Dialog Box. Here's where the magic happens. You have two main options: custom size or preset sizes. If you need precise dimensions, choose custom size and manually enter the width and height you want. You can change units too, like pixels, inches, or millimeters. Alternatively, if you're creating something for a specific platform, select a preset size. Canva offers sizes for everything from social media posts to presentations to flyers. Just click the drop-down and find the one that fits your project. Before you hit apply, you'll see a checkbox that says copy and resize. If you check this, Canva will create a copy of your current design with the new dimensions, leaving the original untouched. If you want to change the size of the design you are working on, just click the Resize button and you're done. And there you have it. Your canvas is now perfectly sized for your project. Don't forget to adjust the elements within your design to fit the new canvas dimensions. Happy designing!